ASMR channel. Today we're going to be unboxing and installing a Nelson Rigg tank bag. Let's take a look.
Alright, enough of that crap. We're going to install the Nelson Rigg tank bag. It's RG1045 on Amazon. I'll put a link down below if you want to help the channel out if you're looking for a tank bag. I'm going to put this thing on, we'll put it on together, we'll take it for a real world test and we'll see how it is. I need a bigger one just to carry cameras and things like that. It's meant to fit really well on the safari tanks. We'll install it, we'll see how it is. I'll give you my honest review and we'll go from there. So in the package we have a couple of belts. We've got two separate ones. They are the same thing. Pretty standard. I've noticed every time you buy luggage, it comes out as a heap of spaghetti. But once you have a look at it, it should be fairly easy to install. There's the bag itself. Looks nice and thin. Nelson Riggs, or Rigg gear as they like to call themselves, it's pretty good quality. It should just sit right up here and really not annoy us too much. Let's take a look inside. It's got lots of compartments. So we'll open this top one. Ooh, looks like a cooler bag. Looks like it's got a side compartment. Oh yeah, nice. Fit your wallet in there. Wallet and keys maybe. Other side. Yep, same thing on the other side. Those pockets aren't too big, but they'd be alright for one or two things. So on the lid here, on the inside, looks like we can take the advertising out. And we have a Velcro bit of a pocket in there. That's pretty cool. You can see, so I'm guessing you put your phone in here and you can still see it. That'll be nice. Yeah, Velcro's up all the way around. Oh, it looks like a pretty good tank bag. I feel like it has to loosen up and open up. Alright, so I'll close the top down. So we've got another zip that runs around the side here. Pretty sure if we pop this one open, we will get more storage. Yep. Well, that's a lot, isn't it? There's my hand. That's pretty big. Now if I open the top again, whoa, that's how much storage you get. That's a fair bit. That's going to come in real handy. Big drink bottle, camera gear, drones. All right, we'll install it and see how it sits on the bike. So we've got the first strap here. All I did was take the elastic off to separate them, and you have to run it down here, back behind the triple clamp. So now we've got both our buckles here, ready to connect to our bag. So I can connect this one up first, just to keep our bag secure. And then this little strap, which is stretchy, we have to bring back through here and run our other buckle back through it. Now we are attached behind the triple clamp and also up here to keep everything tight and together, and we can connect our other buckle. So that's our front ones connected. I'll leave them loose so we can figure out and tighten them where we want them to sit. All right, we'll check the back ones out, see where we have to run those. So the back straps, I'm pretty sure they will run under the seat. So it's just two bolts, one bolt there and the same on the other side. Okay, so I've just been messing with it a bit. I took the elastic strap off the rear straps and I've just tied them to each other so that I can get them in there nice and tight. Because I'm probably doing it wrong, but I just couldn't get them in there nice and tight. Just to let you know, that's how I'm doing it. So it's just going to run under the seat and then I will tighten the tank bag down nice and tight there. So I'll get that tied down and then we are going to go hit the tracks. So let's see how this tank bag holds up. All right, we've just had a very chilly ride out to Neerim. We're gonna have a big ride today. On the way here, it was fine. Nothing moved. It's got a heap of stuff in it. Hopefully no accidents that don't come off, but it's probably gonna get muddy and wet. Yeah, we'll see how it holds up. So there you go. On the road, absolutely perfect, this tank bag. On the dirt, did not move, held everything in place perfectly. So if you want one, jump on the link down below, help support the channel. And just also the rear luggage bag, I also have an affiliate link for that one. It's come up pretty good. It was like $50. I'll show you the inside. So it's holding my tripod, camera stuff, air pump, drink bottle, and I can still unzip it. It'll come up higher and then close it over. It comes up way more and you can fit heaps in there. So for a cheapy bag on Amazon, that's actually come up pretty well. Fits on the back nicely too. So yeah, I'd recommend both. If you're in the market for either, hit the link down below. We'll see you on the next ride. Ride safe and I'll catch you in my mirrors.